Hey guys, how are you? I'm posting this video to let you know that I'm not going to post any other videos in this channel anymore, and that is for several reasons. The videos are going to be re-edited and reposted on my new channel. One reason is that I have started a new channel that is mostly gaming, live streams, and DIY videos. They are not like the previous, like this channel that is mostly how-to and that kind of videos. They are more like experimenting, fun tests, and I have some how-to videos, some of them. Anyway, but there is a catch. They are in Greek. Okay, so but I'm trying my best to provide subtitles in the videos. It's a slow process, but I will do it. Also, because of my studies before, I wasn't able to respond to comments or build a proper community. And that is something I got to do it right this time in the new channel. So yeah, my new channel is called Shipetos. We'll put a link in the description. And this will be my main channel now. If you are interested, you can subscribe in there. And comment your thoughts as well, what we can do better, and everything. And as I said, I will put a link in the description. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you all, or whoever is interested, in my other channel. Have a nice day.